We will now be assessing bread and comparing the prices of the healthier option, 100% whole grain or whole wheat, versus a regular option, white bread made with refined flour. So this is pretty straightforward, similar to our other assessments. Loaf size. Every store I went to sold bread in a full loaf. I didn't see any half loaves. So you can just put like one for this, like one loaf, and then you'll put the price per loaf. If you do happen to see only half loaves, just put that in the comment section, put half here. But we're going to go ahead and assume that they're all whole loaves with the same number of slices in each loaf. So these are the two, this is the reference brand that it's asking you to assess, the Stroenham Dutch County. And the alternate item is the Sara Lee Classic. In my experience, most of the stores carried Nature's Own as their bread brand, and the NEMS, which is for regular stores, not convenience stores, uses Nature's Own as the go-to brand to assess. So if y'all want to use that, then feel free to put that. If you happen to see Stroenham Dutch County, please write the price of that also, but I would like all of you to include the price of the Nature's Own in addition to the Stroenheim also. And then you'll put the number of varieties of whole wheat bread. A lot of the stores had their own like store brand of bread too. And then for the regular, keep the brains the same. So if you did Stroenham up here, do Stroenham up here. If you included Nature's Own up here, do Nature's Own down here. This is an example of what we're looking for. This is what the butter bread is. And then for the price of the Nature's Own, you want it to be the 100% whole wheat one that looks just like this. You are not assessing the price of the white wheat or the honey wheat. That is not what we want. We want the 100% whole wheat price in comparison to the butter bread price. Moving on to cereal. Every store that I went into that had cereal had Cheerios, plain versus flavored. The flavored Cheerios is Honey Nut. So you'll be comparing the prices between these two. And the ounces also. If you're writing the prices, try and stick with the same ounce. So if you're using the family size boxes, write the ounce for that. If you're using the regular boxes, write the ounce for that, but keep it consistent between plain and flavored. It also asks you to count the number of varieties of healthier cereals. By their definition, that means less than 7 grams of sugar per serving. So if you see another cereal that you think might be a healthier option, just check the label before you mark it as a healthier brand. And these are the two labels of the cereal. So this is Cheerios. It may look like it's the regular Honey Nut, but it is not. This is plain with no added sugar. This is the Honey Nut with sugar added, and the healthy option, the non-healthy option.